Oh, hi. Hey, this is Jerry Teal, Health and Wellness Advocate. And I just got back from working out at the Y, and I can't get into my home because there's tree trimming going on, and there's a wood chipper right in front of my home. So I'm just going to do this from the car today. And I'm doing part 3 of my health and wellness journey. And at the end of the last part, I talked about, in my last one, I talked a lot about physical exercise, which is the second pillar of foundational health. And I continued my, physical activity, my running, my doing events. Eventually got into doing, besides running events, I actually did a few triathlons, short ones. And and I've continued to exercise on a regular basis for all of this time. I've, the 43 years I've been in recovery. And so, but today I wanted to talk about, move out of talking about exercise and get into the first pillar, which is nutrition, which is, a huge topic. And back when I was had my running career, I was reading Runner's World magazine, and then I got into reading Men's Health and other publications that were, talking about how to eat better, especially in terms of, performance, and that type of thing. Way too many carbs for today, right? But anyway, it was focused on, eating better, eating healthier. Now, with what's happening over time, there are so many, and it's all good stuff, but there's a lot of emphasis on nutrition and clean eating and keto and paleo and all these different healthy types of diets, Mediterranean diet and so forth. And it's incredible. And it's, you can go as deep in the weeds with anything you want to do in the terms of nutrition as you want to. And I just want to talk about, basically the idea that what you're, the old saying is, you are what you eat. And I do think that's pretty much true. And if you look at someone looked at me at one point in my life, they'd say, what have you been eating? But anyway, so I just wanted to share with you that, my wife and I went through a 28-day cleanse at the beginning of this year, and not a colon cleanse. This was a nutritional cleanse where we had a special diet. Company was with a functional medicine company. They do extensive testing and blood work and urine work and, all this, really detailed. And then they tell you what your weak areas are or what needs to be corrected or improved. And so, that was very interesting. I did it mainly because I wanted to have the same diet as my wife had. And our son, he eats, peanut butter, basically, but, and hamburgers and stuff like that. But he's only 13, so that's okay. I think, I don't know. But anyway, we went through this cleanse, and I did it because I wanted to benefit my wife and help her, support her in that. But it really benefited me as well. And since that's been over, we have been eating cleaner. We've been eating better. And I do think it's really made a big difference in, my energy level, my mental clarity, my ability to focus and to just have more energy throughout the day, and just benefit in a big way from, watching and looking at and seeing how we're eating, what we're eating, and, not cheating too often is, I guess, the best way to say it. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. That's kind of where I'm at. So we've talked a little bit about pillar number 1, nutrition, and pillar number 2, activity, regular exercise or physical activity. And I'll be talking about the other 3 pillars in future videos. Thank you for watching this. I think they're done trimming in front of my house now. I can go home and enjoy your day. Good health to you. And we'll chat soon. Take care.